Good morning, students. How all are you? I hope you are all good and fine. Yes, students, you know our chapter of mathematics is numbers up to 9999 is going on. In last topic, we are discussed about compare and use the appreciate symbols of greater, smaller, and equal. Yes, 7, 2, 8, 7802 and 7901. Who is the greatest number? Yes, 7901 is the greatest number. So we form the greatest sign to these numbers. And then we know the forming the greatest and the smallest number. 2378, 8732. We form the smallest and greatest number from these four digits. As we know, we found to form the greatest number, we arrange the digits from greatest to smallest, and the greatest digit is 8 and the smallest digit is 2. Then we form the number 8732 is the greatest number. When we form the smallest number, we arrange the digit from smallest to greatest, and the smallest number is 2 and the greatest number is 8. Then 2378 is the greatest number. Second example, 7906. Now student, you think when we form the greatest number, we arrange the digit from greatest to smallest. 9760, 9760 is the greatest number. But now student, you think when we arrange the smallest number, we arrange the digit from smallest to greatest. You think 0 is the smallest. But if we put the 0 at the beginning, of the numbers, then it makes the 3-digit numbers. So we put the 0 at second place, at 100 place, to form the smallest 4-digit number. Then 6079 is the smallest number. Yes, our next topic is word problem. Raman went to buy a car. Raman wanted to buy a car. Then he go to a car dealer, where the car dealer gives Raman to 3-digit numbers, which digits are 709. He asked Raman to form the largest 4-digit number for his car number plate dim them. He asked Raman to form 4-digit number, but he gave the numbers to Raman 3-digit. Then how we form the 4-digit numbers? Then he say to the Raman, he can repeat the any one of the digit. He can repeat the digit any one of the digit 2 times to form the greatest 4-digit number. In this word problem, we found what will be the number formed by Raman. There is one hint given by Raman. On repeating the largest digit, he say on repeating the largest digit, we can form the largest 4-digit number. This is the hint. Now solve the word problem. Yes, the following digits are 709, and the given hint are on repeating the largest digit, we can form the largest 4-digit. In 7 is the largest digit? No. 0 is the largest digit? No. 9 is the largest digit? Yes, 9 is the largest digit. So we repeat the 9 and take the 9 2 times to form the largest number. The 9917 is the largest number formed by the Raman. And this is your homework related to your word problem. Write the greatest and smallest 4-digit number using the given digits 5, 3, 2, 6. Now we form the greatest and smallest numbers. Then firstly we form the greatest number. To form the greatest number, we arrange the numbers from greatest to smallest. Then 6532 is the greatest number. And then we form the smallest number. We arrange the digit from smallest to greatest. Then 2356 is the smallest digit. Now our next word problem is the Delhi Jaipur highway. In Delhi Jaipur highway road, highway means road, milestones are be placed on the road. Milestones are be placed on the road between the two restaurants. There are two restaurants on the Delhi Jaipur highway and milestones are be placed between their two restaurants. The distance between each milestone must be 1000 meter. The difference of each milestone is 1000 meter. The first restaurant is at a distance of 3400 meter from Delhi. The first restaurant placed on 3400 difference from Delhi, and the other restaurant is 8400 meter distance. Now what we do in this word problem? He said draw a number line. Firstly, draw a number line to show where the milestones are to be placed. Firstly, we draw a number line to show milestones are to be placed. Then count the number of milestones. Then we count the number of milestones, including the ones at the two restaurants. He said then we count the total number of milestones and including the both two restaurants. If we include the both two, then it is also milestones. Now we solve the equation. Now, firstly, you know the distance between each milestone is 1000 meter, and he said the milestones, including the ones at the restaurants. The first restaurant has a distance of 3400, and he say include the restaurant. Then we include the restaurant as a milestone. But milestone, then distance of each milestone is 1000. Then another milestone is stated on at the distance of 4400, and third milestone and another milestone is stated at the difference of 1000 meter, and another restaurant is stated at the difference of 1000 meter, and another restaurant is milestone is stated at the 1000 meter. And the last, it was given that the last restaurant and the last milestone is at the distance of 8000. So this is the last milestone. Now we count total number of milestones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The total number of milestones are 6. That is why we found. I hope you are all understand. Now this is your homework. 1 more than 8372. If we add 1 in 8370, then what is the answer? This is you right. Then 10. If we add the 10 in this number, if we add the 100 in this number, if we add the 1000, then 1 less than. If we subtract or take the 1 digit from 9576, then what the number is formed. This is your homework. Okay students, thank you. I hope you all understand.